Hello students, good morning. I am your English teacher Miss Kajal and today we are going to start with our new chapter lesson 3, how the hippo got a tiny tail. Standard 2nd, semester 1, subject English 1, part 1. So students, this lesson is about a tail. Tail means, can anybody tell me what is tail? Yes, tail means puchdi. Okay. Different animals have different tail. Some have long tail. Some have short tail. Some have thin tail. Some have thick tail. And some have bushy tail. Bushy means thick and spreading out like a bush. So here I have given some pictures. You can see these pictures and can understand the different type of tails. So students, look at the horse tail, fox tail, wolf tail, lion tail, squirrel tail and hippo's tail. Before we read and enjoy this chapter, let me ask some questions. Have you ever watched animals with different tails? Have you ever noticed their tail? Have you ever noticed how they use their tail? What they do with their tail? Many animals use their tails to brush away flies and other biting insects. Many animals uses their tails for defense also. Defense means bachvu, means to protect themselves. Let us read the chapter now. Lesson number 3. How the hippo got a tiny tail. A long time ago, only the lion had a tail. The other animals had a lot of trouble with houseflies and other insects. They could not keep them away from their bodies because they had no tails. One day the lion decided to give tail to all the other animals in the jungle. Every animal went quickly to get a tail. Only the hippo did not go. He was lazy. He wanted to eat, sleep and then get his tail. So students, long time ago what happened? Only the lion, king of the jungle, was having a tail. And other animals living in the jungle, they were not having tails. So they were very worried and they were in trouble because the houseflies and insects used to sit on their bodies, used to bite them and they were not able to protect themselves. So, one day lion decided to give tail to every animal living in the jungle. So, hearing this, all the animals were happy and they went quickly to get a tail to lion. But the only animal who did not go was, who was that animal? Hippo. Why he didn't go? Because he was very lazy. He just wanted to eat, and then he get his tail. The first animal to reach the lion was the fox. So he picked up the best and the bushiest tail. Then came the squirrel, the wild horse, and the wolf. From the big pile of tail, they picked the one they liked the most. By the time the hippo got up from his long sleep, it was evening. He remembered that he had to get a tail. He went to the lion's den. There was only one tail left. No other animal had wanted a tiny tail. So student, after the lion decided to give the tails to all the animals living in the jungle, the first animal to reach the lion was the fox. So the fox got the best and the bushiest tail you have seen in the picture. Okay. Then came the squirrel. Squirrel's tail is also very good and very nice. Then came the wild horse and the wolf. They also got the best tail. Why they got the best and the good tail? Because they got a chance to pick a tail of their choice. And after all this got over, at last the hippo got up from his long sleep. He was sleeping because he was very lazy. It was a evening time. Then he remembered that he had to get a tail. So he went to the lion's den. There only one tail was left, and that tail was very tiny. Tiny means very small. It was not of any use. All the animals could now chase away insects with the tails they had chosen. But the hippo's tail was too small to chase insects away. All the houseflies went after him. He ran to the river and sat down in the water. Even today, the hippo sits in water most of the time with his useless little tail, all because he was not on time to choose a good tail. So students, after getting tail, all the animals could now chase away insects with their tails because they got a good and nice tail. But the hippo's tail was too small to chase insects away. Chase means to drive away. But the hippo's tail was too small to chase insects away. So all the houseflies and other insects went after him. Then hippo ran to the river and sat down in the water. Even today also you all can see the hippo sits in water most of the time with his useless tail. Useless means not of any use. All because he was not on time to choose a good tail. So students, you should be always on time if you want something. You should not be very lazy every time. Thank you.